Mr. Gamer78 here, and today I'm going to show you how I made my Mario Party board game. So this is basically, it's easy to make, unless you have all the ingredients like all the things you need to do. So I'm going to show you the things you need to do now. So by the way, these are some more chess pieces, but before I used to use a pawn, like 4 pawns, different colored pawns that look like dice. But now that I have some more chess pieces, I can put it. But you can also like put Mario figurines on it or anything. So yeah, let's get started with the instructions. Alright, so you're gonna need 2 cardboard cutouts, a computer or a Mac, some Mario Party spaces on the internet, some Bowser spaces on the internet, scissors, glue, some colorful pawns and a dice, and some cover paper, which is optional. Okay, so now I'm gonna print 10 copies of the Mario Party spaces. As you can see, I'm putting the 10 copies, and you make sure it's in color. So see, it's printing 10 copies, and after that I started printing the Bowser spaces, which you're gonna see right now. See, I put them there, and now I'm putting the Bowser spaces. See? Alright guys, so these are all the ingredients you need. So first, you're gonna take your Mac, open up and search Mario Party spaces. So now it's there. So these are all the ingredients. So first we're gonna start by cutting the copies we made. So we're just gonna cut all of these copies. Alright guys, as you can see, we cut these spaces, and now we're gonna cut the Bowser spaces. So I cut it, but now I'm gonna cut it like that. Yeah, see you in the next video. Alright guys, so as you can see, we cut our Bowsers, and now we're just gonna cut them extra more, and we're gonna fit them into these, hold on a second, I'm just gonna, these papers. See, I put one, this is an example. I cut this Bowser time thing, put it in the paper, and when you flip it, give me equality. See, so very fun, it's very easy, and yeah. So these are the ones I did. You know, I'm still working on them. So yeah, when I finish, I'm gonna tape our 2 cardboards, or I don't know, you can make it bigger or make it small. I don't know, I think you can use this to make another board game, like another map, or you can pick these, and when you flip it, it's another map. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna show you in the next clip. I'm gonna finish all of these. Alright guys, so as you can see, we did our Bowser cards. So like, you go in a Bowser space and you pick one. There's give me charity, and there's give me coins, give me stars. There's also give me equality. So yeah, it's like Mario Party DS. So now we're gonna create the actual board game. But we just need to cover this in blue, because you know, we'll just put like an A4 paper. So let's get the A4 paper. Alright guys, so now we're gonna make our board. So we're gonna put the 2 cardboard pieces, and now we're gonna duct tape it. So you see, I finished duct taping, and I'm just gonna now put the A4. See, we glued them on together. Like, we cut them also and fit into other pieces. So yeah, it's pretty good. Then now I'm gonna put my Mario Party spaces. So I'm gonna put right now, and yeah, this is the complete. It's just not glued, but I'm gonna glue it right now. Alright guys, so this is basically complete. So I'm gonna write here Mario Party tomorrow, and I'm gonna cover it. So basically I will get like these Mario chess pieces. You just buy Super Mario chess. If you have it, just use their chess pieces. or you can use the Mario figurines if you have, or you can write M or anything. But you can also use these pawns, but this is just for now because I don't have them right now. They're in my cousin's house. So yeah, so it's 1 to 6. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Good. So guys, that's how I did my Mario Party board game, and I didn't do this by myself. 2 people helped me do this, and also it's amazing helping me do the ideas. So this is the complete beta. I'm just gonna edit these, and these are my mini games, so I'm gonna type it in. But by the way, I made a new B space. So you land on a B space, you like flip it. It's either good things or bad things. You can change. You go to the star. So yeah, this is the shop. These are the characters. These are the coins. Pay 5 coins to enter here and get the star. And oh, here's my turns. So, anyways, it took me 1 day to finish this. I know that's really quick. I thought I'll finish it in like weeks, but I just did it all in one time. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video and if it turned out pretty good, just like and subscribe. Subscribe is more important, but just like, at least like. You don't have to, just saying. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye. Bye.